Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Alex and in today's video we are gonna do the best mod for this car yet, also the most expensive. I'm very happy. Well, you probably saw it on the title. I don't really care to tell you, but I bought a very nice steering wheel. Going to the parking lot now, got everything we need in the back, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you, and I hope you guys enjoy how she looks, and let's go. Before I show you the steering wheel, unplug the battery. So I'm gonna find the battery and then I'll come back for you. Alright y'all, I had to go home to get more shirts and gloves. So now we can actually start unplugging the battery. For this car, it's actually a lot of work, but it's no problem. And we're gonna do it as fast as we can. First thing you need to do is take this. Take this one as well. This is pretty easy to come off. Just push it a little bit. Done. This one is done as well. So now the battery is here under this plastic box. So I need to take this one, and this one in the corner. And I'm very happy I bought this, and I'm just hoping this works. Otherwise, I don't know how I'm gonna take these clips off, but I'm hoping it works. And yes, it does. Perfect. Perfect. Unplug that, and then the other one, and just pull it off. Just like that. I'm gonna put them here, make sure I don't lose them. Same thing here on this one. All the three clips should be pretty easy to come off. Now we unplug this, like this silver thing, which is gonna be a little bit harder. Don't lose this, because this is what locks this. So yeah, overall, this, and it should come off pretty easily. The best way to take this off is you either pull it up like this, but I wouldn't recommend because you have some locks on the top, so we just gonna do it further side. Let's search the best position here. Alright, I had to do a little bit stronger, but it came off, and that's what matters. Now, if I'm not mistaken, exactly, you have two 10mm, one here and one here, and you have another two plugs of this, which I'm gonna pop off first. Now, if you want to buy this kit, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. If I find it, I probably won't, but I try. And yeah, you can always buy this to do it yourself whenever you need. For what I've researched, BMW F31, which is this one, ow, BMW F31 is actually the worst one to change a battery because it's a lot of work, as you can probably tell. But yeah, let's move on to the 10mm, which I have right here. Let's open this. And where's my 10mm? This is a 10. Perfect. These two off, and I'll be right back. Alright, I've taken these two, not bolts, but this, you just basically plug it, which is this one and this one. I hope you guys can see that. So technically, exactly, you should just pull this off, and there's the battery. So, I don't know if you guys know that, but whenever you're working on a battery, always start with the negative. So to unplug, you start negative, positive, and then to plug in, you do the other way around. You start with the positive, and then the negative. 10mm. You can use literally the same key you had on your hands. So let's unplug the battery. I've unplugged the battery. I'm gonna leave it here. And now just a safety precaution to see if we don't get locked outside the car, because that's gonna be a nightmare. Always get this and just stick it up inside this. Make sure the car doesn't lock by itself. If you don't want to do this, you can always put here, which is gonna be the exact same shit. Or even better to put it here. So yeah, not gonna close it, but I'm gonna put it down. Perfect. So now let's finally unbox the steering wheel.
Just a quick little message. The quality is like this because I forgot to change the camera settings. So I apologize. It's not gonna be the whole video. It's just like 2 minutes.
Boys, I've been waiting for this moment since I got the car. This was literally the first thing that I said I wanted to mod, and I'm just so happy that this day has finally come. This is about the tail light video, which was supposed to be recorded already, but sadly it took a bad turn because of the cold. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this steering wheel as much as I did. It looked beautiful in my opinion. Check this out. Look at this. Boy, oh boy. What do you guys think? The steering wheel overall is beautiful. It just looks insane. We're gonna remove this one. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. All right, y'all, look at this. I've been here for almost an hour, and for some reason these locks, even though I took them off, they're not like allowing me to pull the airbag off. But with some strength, it doesn't seem like it wants to come off though. But yeah, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna figure this out eventually. I'm gonna figure this out, and then I come back to you guys. Alright, y'all, I've came home just to eat dinner. It's been like 3 hours since we started changing the steering wheel, and I was doing the wrong way this whole time. So I'm hoping that after I eat, I'm going back down, and hopefully I'm gonna be able to change the goddamn steering wheel. Now, if I get there and remove the old one in like 10 minutes, I hope I can install the new one today. But if it takes a little bit more, I might just install it tomorrow. But I don't know. We shall see. I'll see you in a bit. Back in the car. I've removed this part right here, unplugged the key sensor, and also this. And now I'm trying to figure out airbag lock. Technically should be here on this side, but the technically isn't working for me today. But yeah, let's try to find this goddamn airbag lock. Once I find this, I'll come back to you. It's been like 3 hours maybe, all work, and that's what you pay for working with no experience, but we gotta learn and it takes time. I know we're gonna do it. So yeah, let's stay motivated, stay humble, and I'll be right back. I am fucking stupid, bro. Like, I'm the worst person to work on cars ever. Like, I'm learning though, so there's that, but I feel like I've made this the hardest way possible. I got it. Finally, I managed to take the airbag off. And the reason I say I am stupid as fuck is because, so well, the airbag is like this. So first of all, I removed this, which is stupid. I shouldn't remove this. I'm stupid. And second of all, I use these holes that I think most BMWs have to make it easier to remove. And you are supposed to follow this like thing, and when you're here, you pull it. I'm gonna do it one time. So I'm not gonna actually stick it inside because I don't want to do it again. But yeah, so you take the key, you go under this, you put it like that, and you can see. Of course, you shouldn't be seeing, but you can see it goes all the way up there. All the way up there. Let me see if I can focus. Yeah, it focuses. And when you're there, you just, and it pops off. I did this the worst way possible, but I got it. So now, finally, I'm gonna unplug everything. I'm not gonna look to the camera because I'm gonna try to have the light on. OMG. Yeah, this one is hot. And now I think we removed this one as well. Oh, yeah, the airbag is heavy as shit. Fuck! And finally, we can remove the actual steering wheel. I'm finally taking this goddamn steering wheel. Jesus, what a nightmare, bro. About to be the best moment of my life. And I'm not even kidding, man. So let's make sure we don't lose this. But yeah, let me show you something first. I want to teach you something. So whenever you changing the steering wheel of any car, I mean, technically it should be all cars. So you see like this mark right here. I'm gonna try to zoom in, wait. So this, like this small mark here, like this cut, should always be aligned with this, okay? Any steering wheel probably should have this, just saying. So now to the best moment of this whole video. Not the second best moment, because the best moment is gonna be when we put the new one. Finally, dude. My car is disgusting. So yeah, this video is gonna be here. No, just kidding. I can only imagine. Oh, this is gonna look so good. Yeah, all crazy, bro. All right, so now we are gonna have to remove this airbag, and oh god, I'm just scared. So yeah, I'm not even gonna record this to make sure I'm focused, so I'll be right back. All right, you guys, I finally managed to take the airbag off this one as well. So let's finally install this on the goddamn car. Jesus. Let's finally install this goddamn steering wheel. Oh boys, I'm so fucking happy. Alright, before I tighten it up, let me just make sure all the connections are correct. So this one should go on this side. It's cold. This one All right, so this is the big one, which is the airbag one, and this is the small one, which is that one. Let's start plugging everything up. So let's plug this one first. Should go like this. I still can't believe I got this. It up. So I don't know the torque spec, but I'm gonna do what I feel like it's correct. Not that much, not that less. Looks like it's tight enough. Now, finally, the airbag is going in. I've been waiting for this moment for quite a long time, and I'm just so happy with it. Now let's see if I don't leave the cables all around. And that's it, boys. Alright, I'm so fucking nervous, you guys. But let's try to put everything the correct way again. Alright, I'm gonna put this back and I'll be right back, guys. Alright, yeah, guys. This is the final fucking result. Look at this. Bro, that is crazy. It looks 20,000 times better. Now I'm gonna plug in the battery and hopefully this is not gonna blow up. But no, it seems like it's well connected. I mean, hopes. Now I would like to know if everything is working. Otherwise, I don't really know what to do. But so I know these two buttons are extra. It told me that this car doesn't need those two buttons, but it's nice to have because whenever I decide to make a remap, I have this, and they send me the red cable to use this, so it's perfect. So let's go outside, let's plug in the battery and hope that everything's gonna be okay. Moment of truth. So before I put everything together, let's make sure the car doesn't blow up. Not the car, the airbag, I mean. Safety first. Let's turn on the ignition. Oh fuck, I need the key inside the car, it's my bad. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Come here. Come here. Look at this. Look at this. This looks so good. Oh my fucking god, this looks so good. Oh, it feels so good, bro. Damn. You guys don't understand this. Let's put everything together, back together. So the first thing I'm gonna do is tight the negative. Now, I don't know if I should be doing this with the car on, but oh, put this back. Just the same way you took it off, the two bolts. Let's start by those ones. Alright, now after you tighten those two bolts, you just put this clips in and perfect. So technically, I'm not forgetting anything, so this should be ready. The hardest part is plugging this back in. It's probably the worst part throughout all of this job, but I'm gonna have to do it somehow, I guess. I'm gonna start with these two. Okay, and this is not inside. Alright, wasn't that bad. Will you look at that? Wasn't that bad. So this one in, and this is the last one to have the job almost done. So now we put this, which is for the bar things, line it up with the two holes, small holes, and the silver cap. Let's yes, everything's working. Let me just clean everything, all the tools in the box, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys. And just like that, boys, the steering wheel is ready. Let me just, oh, it works, look. These two buttons of course don't work because they are not programmed. He actually gave me the red cable to program them. He told me that you just need to connect to something and reconnect and blah blah blah. He explained that to me. I said it's alright, bro, I don't want that for now. But yeah, good to see that the limit button, that green light is the limit button. The cruise control as well is working. Look, it's working perfectly. And I can horn. I want to see the horn. I can. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed it doing it. Sorry for my English, I'm just so fucking excited. Like, this is beautiful, man. This is actually like I'm so fucking happy. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week and peace.